Hey, Adin here. Three real quick things. Number one, thank you guys so much for all your patience and trust throughout tax season. We're finally through it. Really enjoyed working with every single one of you. Number two, I'm going to go celebrate a little bit with my wife. We're going on vacation starting Monday, April 29th, and we're going to be gone until May 10th. So I'm not going to be answering emails and phone calls, so don't freak out if you don't hear from me. I'll return everything when I get back, but for those 2 weeks, I'm really going to be inaccessible. And number three, there's a lot of exciting things that are happening for the rest of the year, including an expansion of services. A lot of you have been asking about wills, trusts, financial planning, IRAs, retirement planning, and stuff like that. So I'm going to be bringing a lot of resources to the table coming for the rest of the year. So I'll be rolling a lot of that stuff out over the summer. So stay tuned, and we'll keep rocking and rolling, and I will see you in May.